Today in the shop, we're going to take your standard 4.5-inch death wheel, make it into a not 4.5-inch Bandfile. So if you take one of these grinders, lose the grindy bits, you now have a nice little shaft. Take 3/8 air belt sander from Harbor Freight. Get rid of that bit. Just gonna make that stick on there. And you're gonna make that stick on there. And then you have a cordless, fancy finger sander. Now to make it work. It's always good when machine tools are put together with wood screws. There's a reason that it only costs 30 bucks. But if it gets the job done, I don't complain too much about it. Ooh, fancy gears. Holy shit, I can't work so good. Good enough for me. Good enough for Harbor Freight tooling. It's a lovely fit. Alright, after a bunch of polishing and work, that guy fits pretty well. That fits on there. Let's see how bad it actually is. Well, I'd say that's a pretty good proof of concept. Got a little bit of work left to do on it, but not too shabby. Sweet. That'll work. Now I can do what I actually want to do. Graceful, as always.